Clear, pure water from a well source or stream is the first vital ingredient of good beer. In the mill room, malted barley is fed into the mill. This breaks down the grain into a coarse grist. Then the grist, together with heated water, is run into the mash tun. Here the malt starch converts into simple sugars. The base of the mash tun is opened to drain off the resulting wort. The spent grains are shovelled out to be used as cattle fodder. Hops, with names like Fuggles, Golding, Sars and Brewer's Gold, are the ingredient that imparts the flowery, aromatic nose to beers. Hops are then added to the copper in the brewhouse. After an hour, when the boiling and mixing have been completed, the contents are drained into the hop back. The wort passes through, leaving the spent hops behind. The liquid is too hot for the addition of yeast, so it is cooled in a paraflow. Then the wort is pumped into fermenting vessels. Yeast converts the sugars in the wort into alcohol. This takes about 3 to 4 days. Different types of yeast are used to produce different beers. Wild yeasts produce lambic beers in Belgium. Top fermenting yeasts produce traditional British ales and beers, whilst bottom fermenting yeasts are used to produce lagers. The beer run from the fermenting vessels is called green beer. After a period in a conditioning tank, it is moved to a racking tank and run into casks. The casks are sealed with a wooden shive, which is later removed to add finings to clear the beer. After conditioning in the cask, the beer is ready to drink.